All right, most homeowners are pretty amazed at the fact that you can install these tankless water heaters inside or outside. Outside is quite literally better location for the fact that you don't have to run a stainless steel flue up to the roof. The vent will terminate on the outside of the unit itself. The elements cannot affect it. Rain, sun, or shine. The casing is made out of stainless steel, has a powdered coated resin, so the elements will not affect it. It's proven technology. Noritz has been around since 1951. It's almost 60 years that they've been installed outside, so that's a great location to install them. Ben Franklin installs Noritz tankless water heaters exclusively because they are the #1 manufacturer of tankless water heaters in the world. They have professional distribution, which means that they're only sold to licensed contractors. They're not able to get these in the hands of handymen or homeowners who think they can install them. They have a commercial grade heat exchanger with a 12-year warranty. Basically what that means is the heat exchanger itself is made out of copper, and the gauge of copper on the Noritz models are about 25% heavier than their competitors. Also, the Noritz tankless water heaters, all their parts are manufactured in-house. Everything in that tankless water heater was made by Noritz. And tankless specialist would be Ben Franklin. And of course they have superior support. There's a 1-800 number that you can reach them at 24/7.